Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited about today. I've just got these in the post. You can see they're a bauble shape, so Christmas video. But these are holographic. I don't know if it'll pick up. Oh yeah, they're on camera. Cool. Don't know if I can get this one too. Nope, so that's going to be a surprise. This one. Yeah, there we go. Cool, so I am going to use resin pigments today. Now I'm thinking red Christmas, so I'm going to do a mix between these two. So I have cherry here, which is like a light red, and then rose, which is a darker red. I have some resin here mixed up, ready to go, so I'm just going to dive straight in. That is quite a lot of pigment, but I don't want these to be see-through. That looks super dark on camera, but it is lighter in real life, I promise. Now the stick doesn't show through, so I think that's about the right amount of pigment. Fabulous, this is going very well today. So I'm just going to go ahead, pour this straight in. And there we go, super quick. I'll see you when they're set, and then we can see how holographic they are when we take them out. Okay, so it's been a couple of days, everything is nice and set. So I'm just going to jump straight in and demould. Try and keep them all face down, and then I'll turn them all over together. That mould's super clean, which is great. Again, another clean one. I think they're all going to be. These moulds are quite thick. They feel like quite good quality actually, which is quite nice. Okay, all the moulds came off clean. Just going to stack those up. Are we ready? Okay, we're going to do the two bottom ones together. Ooh, cool. Oh, different patterns as well, which is nice. So this one seems to be a bit more subtle, almost a ripply or mortar effect, and this one is our star in the middle and then it radiates out, which I really like. That's super cool. And which ones are these? So another ripple, but going top to bottom instead of side to side. And this one's like a, I don't know what you'd call that, a chunky prism? Random prism? That's quite cool though, I like that. I think what I'm going to do is try these with a white background and see what they come out with there. I don't know if the red is perhaps a little overpowering, I'm not really sure. I like them though, I think they're super cool, and I'm really happy with how holographic they have turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Drop me a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. I'll add some pictures at the end. Have a great day.